Now the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Ryan Argenti.
Rising temperatures as we get through the overnight period, still remaining mostly cloudy just ahead of a warm and cold front that's going to come through. Rain and wind Monday, that's going to be the theme, but we'll have more so early showers. But you can see the impact icon here. This impact is for the winds that we're going to be experiencing for our Monday afternoon. We'll see increasing winds heading into our Monday afternoon, then falling temperatures at the same time. We'll be right around 50 degrees, by the way, for the morning. So by the time you're leaving for your Monday morning commute, you're getting up to the mid 40s, upper 40s. It's going to feel like the 30s, or the temperatures will be into the 30s. So you're going to want to make sure you grab that jacket, despite the fact that we'll have temperatures getting to the 50s. And those strong winds are going to be persisting into our Tuesday. Could see gusts both days, by the way, getting up to 50 miles per hour. So we're going to chat about that here in the full forecast. So for tonight, expect overcast conditions. Then we'll see some showers by the morning time, but you can see a little bit of an arrow was just pointing upwards, and you can see the wide temperature range that I put here, 34 to 46 degrees. Those temperatures will be trending upwards as we get into tomorrow morning. And look at the temperatures into the upper 40s. See some showers early in the morning with mild temperatures. We're getting right around to that 50-degree mark, but it'll be turning windy out of the west-northwest. Look at that, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Then once we get into the afternoon, look at this, gusting to potentially 50 miles per hour. We'll have falling temperatures, and I widen out this temperature range for the afternoon. Early afternoon will be right into the upper 40s. By the time we make it to about 6, 7 o'clock in the evening, down into the lower 30s. Yeah, it's going to be cold if you're going to be heading home from your Monday evening commute. So just have some of those early showers that'll be sticking around up until noon. But here's the almanac for the day today. 33 was the high for earlier this afternoon. 40 degrees. That's what we usually expect for this time of the year. 29 was earlier this morning's low and only had about 1/100th of an inch of rain at Harrisburg International Airport. But I want to show you this. Look at this. Let's find the warm and the cold front here. Okay, see this? Look at this. Temperatures into the upper 60s in Charleston. 71 in Nashville right now. Get this. This is a warmer air mass that's getting fed in, all thanks to the warm front that you see. And then look behind us. Wide, long, cold front. You see that? Temperatures down into the single digits, into the teens, towards Nebraska, towards the Dakotas, towards Des Moines, Iowa. That's going to start to move through. Now, we won't get into the single digits, but we're definitely going to be feeling the effects of this cold front that's going to be coming through for tomorrow afternoon. So here's the effects of the warm front getting into the mid to upper 30s overnight tonight. And then once we get into, look at this, see, we see southerly winds coming out of the south. And then once we get to early in the morning, here we go. We got winds between 10 and 15 miles per hour. Finally get to see sustained winds between 15 and 25 miles per hour, gusting to 50 miles per hour. Look at this for the bar graph. By 12 noon, hitting right around 49 miles per hour. Oh man, it's going to be a gusty day. So if you're fighting the pillow right now and you got something outside that could be blown away, I would get out there right now, bring it inside, or fasten it to something. It's going to be a windy day for our day tomorrow. And also the wind chills. Look at this as we get into the afternoon, down into the lower 30s, but then we're going to feel like the lower 20s by 6 o'clock. So we have a wind advisory in effect from 7 a.m. Monday till 12 p.m. Tuesday. Impact days set for Monday and Tuesday for those winds, potentially gusting to that 50 mile per hour zone for the day. So Storm Team Live Radar Network, all is quiet right now, but the big story is this warm front that's going to keep our temperatures warm, and then this next cold front giving us some morning showers is what's going to be making it cold and blustery as we get into our Monday afternoon, and that's what's really going to be setting us up for a windy day, folks. So impact days for Monday and Tuesday. Heading into New Year's, we do have a light chance of some snow, but temperatures remain down to the low 30s. Back to you.